I'll show you how you can get a Discord guild on mobile. Now, if you have your own server, you just have to go to your server settings up here and then go to settings. And then once on settings, it should be on the server settings down here, right? But right now, since Discord guild is still experimental, you won't be able to get it immediately. So instead, I'm going to show you another method. If you're looking for just the guild tags, there's a very easy way you can do this. You have to join this server here. This is called the Guild Archive /tags. If you want to join this, the link will be on the description or on the pinned comment down below. Once here, you just have to tap on tags or guilds right here. And then on the tags or guild here, just pick on whichever one you want to join, right? So example, if you want any of these tags, like the lightning bolt, the heart, the fire, any of these you want to join. For example, I want to join this one, fab here, right? I just have to tap on this, tap on join. And then once I tap on join, it'll be right here. And then you can see it'll be welcome. And then you can see that's it. Now I'll have been joined here, right? You can also see to the please read section here. And then now once here, you can go to your server or your account here and then tap on edit profile. On edit profile, scroll down and then go to server tag. And then you can see our server tag is right there. And then we can have the server tag right then and there.